Hey guys, it's 1280. What's going on? Well, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of another smoke detector for the collection. This one is brand new, never used. It's still in its original box, and it's pretty cool. It's vintage. So let's go and get started. It's definitely vintage. As you can tell, it came USPS, which the thing was a little weird because it's saying that it was going to be delivered Tuesday, but yet about 8:30 this morning, it was delivered my local post office here. And all day, this entire time, it kept saying Tuesday is when it would be delivered. I don't know why. So, paper. More paper. Here she is. So, I don't know why it's being weird. So, oh well. Here she is. The Smoky Stover 120 volt AC hardwire smoke alarm. Detects fires and responds quickly. Super reliable solid state electronic circuit and alarm horn. Red power on indicator. I can save your life when fire strikes. You got the comic on the back. Let's go ahead and open it. Oops. Box is definitely a little worn because of being how old it is. Definitely brittle, but there she is. Cool. Okay. Here's the alarm. And we will figure out how the mounting bracket plate. Test at least once every week. Oops. Let's see how well that works. Okay. Manual. Fire protection. Fire protection on the back. Look at it real quick. It's definitely crisp, a little torn, a little crispy from being aged. Cool. Pointed end, paralyzed connector, hook for the base. Okay. Mounting screws. And the alarm. Oh. Here goes the electrical connector. Oh, come here. Made September 11th, 1984. So she's definitely an old one. To test, push and hold test button 5 to 10 seconds until alarm sounds. So you can hear a little bit of a click. So unfortunately, okay, so because of how old it is, this doesn't have battery backup. It's hardwired only. So, and it's non-interconnected, so you can't connect it to any other alarms, which is fine. I could just put this somewhere that I'm not worried about it going off or setting other alarms off. I'd have to figure out how to pair this up, I guess. See here if I can. I'm guessing that's how it goes in. Yep, I'm assuming. Okay. There it goes. There. So, fortunately, I can't test it right now because there's that. Okay, I can't test it right now because of I don't have it wired up. So you got hot and neutral, and that's it. There's no interconnect. connectability with this because it's how old it is. I guess they didn't have interconnected at the time. But there we go. And there's my Smoky Stover smoke detector, model 4202. Pretty cool. And I like the metal mounting bracket versus the plastic ones you get nowadays. So it's thin, but hey, it's cool. And then the wires can go through here. Normally and then it goes on like, let's see, how does this go on? There we go. Pretty sure you're supposed to put this on and then, I don't know, because I was about to say, I think you're supposed to put this on, then the wire, but I don't know, that makes sense because you would have the mounting bracket mounted up and then the wire, you feed the wire in. I don't know, because the wire would be, you'd wire it up and then you put the mounting bracket, I don't know. But I think it's all right. I don't think it's damaging anything. So there we go. I will make a video when I have it powered up for the first time and testing it. Because I don't have any other wire. And I don't have a plug that I can use to shove this in and plug it in and get it to, that was easy to come off, get it to respond. So I don't know, I may one day put it in my bedroom and replace the one in the kit in there, or I may put it in the garage because I don't know. We'll see. It's not like I'm just kind of looking inside. I don't know if this pops off or not, or if it does. I have to watch some other YouTube videos on one of these and see if you can. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. There we go. I love the design of it. And another thing I love, let me set it down real quick. About this is the box comic. It sucks, it kind of tore easily, how easily it tore, but yep. To install, fasten our wires to your wires and snap quick connection plug into bracket, provided bracket easily screws onto most out boxes, smoke alarm, then snaps onto bracket. So yeah. Yeah, okay. Push this button and test entire circuit and alarm horn. Rest assured, your alarm will sound at the first whiff of smoke it detects. When fire strikes, our alarm could save your life. Your smoke alarm can be installed on any ceiling or wall. For the most safety, install an alarm in every room in the hall. It's a snap. So there we go, guys. There's unboxing of my new Smoky Stover smoke detector. 120 volt only. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll catch you next time.